In this video, we're going to demonstrate how you put the back down on your Ford SR11. With this trailer, you need to lower your tyre and then open your back up. So I'll just demonstrate lowering the tyre now. Behind the spare wheel carrier, there are two over center latches with two safety pins. Just pull those out. And you're going to undo your over center latches, making sure they're tucked out of the way. Just put your little gold clip back into the pin it came out of. And reach around, pull out this R-clip and this stainless steel pin. You're going to lower the tyre down, let it all the way down to the ground. Just put this pin back in where it came out of. It ensures you don't lose it. It also makes sure that you put it back in. When you go to lift the tyre back up, it won't lift up all the way. You just demonstrate opening the back now. So you've got three clips here. You just open these up. Pull those open. You've got one clip on either side for the walls of your bed. Just going to open those up. Push them all the way out to the side. Pull your roof down slightly to hold them into place while you do the back. If you're not tall like me, you can actually climb up onto the tyre to access these clips. But I just like to reach at them from the ground. This will come down slowly. Once that is down all the way, you're going to lift your rear wall out, pulling your roof down, and then putting these over center latches into place. Once that's done, you can go inside and open up your bed. So the way that you do your bed inside is you push it away from you and then fold the mattress back towards you. It does fold in half, and then in reverse to fold it back up, you fold it away from you and then slide it back towards you. There are grab handles on these mattresses, makes it easier to do that. Once that's done, you can get on with your day. I'm going to demonstrate how to fold up the back of your Ford SR11. Once you've folded your mattress up inside by folding it in half and then pulling it back towards you, you're going to come outside your van and then start with your two over center latches. Just going to undo these here, one on either side. I'm going to push the rear wall down of your bed fold out. Fold the rear wall down and then you're going to lift up the back of your bed. So you're just going to put your hand on it and hold it in place slightly while you lift up, pushing it up and out of the way. You've got one latch on either side. Just the reverse process of setting up your bed fold out. Put these two in, bring your roof down, holding it into place while you do your latches. You've got three, one on either side, one in the middle. Remember to take your stainless retention pin out, lifting your spare wheel up, putting that back into place. Do your over center latches here. Putting your safety pins in. Just going to duck around here and just put this one into place as well. Just demonstrated the process of how to set up and pack down the rear fold out bed on your Ford SR11. For any more videos in our range, you can check them out here. Enjoy your day.